Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. Here's a factorial fractions challenges questions. Bracket 1 over 2n bracket squares equal to 1 over n minus 1 factorial minus 1 over n factorial, and n is positive integers. Find n. In this video, we will share a nice math trick to find n. Would you please to stop it? Pause the video and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to get the result. Before we solve the questions, let's recap the definition of factorial. N factorial equals to n times n minus 1 times the number difference with 1 with the previous numbers, like n minus 1 equal to n minus 2. Then, next item will number difference 1, n minus 2 minus 1 equal to n minus 3. Descending the number till the end, 3 times 2 times 1. For example, 5 factorial equal to 5 times 5 minus 1 equal to 4 times 4 minus 1 equal to 3 times 2 times 1, and 4 factorial equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Here 1 factorial equal to 1, and we define 0 factorial equal to 1. And we have a very important equations. N factorial equal to n times bracket n minus 1 bracket factorial, such as 5 factorial equal to 5 times 4 factorial. Okay, let's solve the questions. Bracket 1 over 2n bracket square equal to 1 over bracket n minus 1 bracket factorial minus 1 over n factorial. Adjust bracket 1 over 2n bracket squares equal to 1 over quantity 2n squared. Then develop 1 over quantity 2n squared equal to 1 over 4n squared. I'm going to find n from these equations. Deduction these two fractions in the right side of equation as 1 over 4n squared equal to n factorial minus bracket n minus 1 bracket factorial over bracket n minus 1 bracket factorial times n factorial. As we mentioned in the beginning, n factorial equal to n times bracket n minus 1 bracket factorial. Factorize the numerator of fractions with the factors bracket n minus 1 bracket factorial. It becomes 1 over 4n squared equal to quantity n minus 1 times bracket n minus 1 bracket factorial over quantity n minus 1 factorial times n factorial. Due to quantity n minus 1 factorial not equal to 0, so eliminate it as 1 over 4n squared equal to n minus 1 over n factorial. Okay, now we have a simple result. After that, develop these two fractions as n factorial equal to 4n squared times bracket n minus 1 bracket. Again, n factorial equal to n times bracket n minus 1 bracket factorial. It equal to 4n squared times bracket n minus 1 bracket. N not equal to 0. Eliminate n to the both sides, get quantity n minus 1 factorial equal to 4n times quantity n minus 1. Adjust quantity n minus 1 factorial equal to quantity n minus 1 times bracket n minus 2 bracket factorial. Now move the item to the same side, then factorize as quantity n minus 1 multiplies bracket quantity n minus 2 factorial minus 4n bracket equal to 0. Then n minus 1 equal to 0 means n equal to 1, or quantity n minus 2 factorial minus 4n equal to 0. We check if n equal to 1 to our questions. It is not the answer. So let's find the answer from quantity n minus 2 factorial minus 4n equal to 0. Quantity n minus 2 factorial equal to quantity n minus 2 multiplies quantity n minus 3 factorial. After that, I'm going to generate the factor n minus 2. So add 8 to both sides of equations and generate factor n minus 2. It becomes quantity n minus 2 multiplies quantity n minus 3 factorial minus 4 times quantity n minus 2 equal to 8. Factorize the left side as quantity n minus 2 multiplies bracket quantity n minus 3 factorial minus 4 bracket equal to 8. N is positive integers. To get the result, it could be n minus 2 equal to 1 times quantity n minus 3 factorial minus 4 equal to 8, or n minus 2 equal to 2 times quantity n minus 3 factorial minus 4 equal to 4, or 4 times 2, or 8 times 1. While n minus 2 equal to 1, n equal to 3, substitute n by 3 to quantity n minus 3 factorial minus 4 as bracket 3 minus 3 bracket factorial minus 4 equal to 0 factorial minus 4 equal to 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. It is not equal to 8. This is not the answer. While n minus 2 equal to 2, got n equal to 4. Calculate in quantity n minus 3 factorial minus 4 with n equal to 4, bracket 4 minus 3 bracket factorial minus 4 equal to 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. Not equal to 4 is done the answer. While n minus 2 equal to 4, got n equal to 6. Substitute n by 6 to the quantity as bracket 6 minus 3 bracket factorial minus 4 equal to 3 factorial minus 4 equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Same as the result, 2. It is the answer. While n minus 2 equal to 8, n equal to 10, then check the quantity, bracket 10 minus 3 bracket factorial minus 4 equal to 7 factorial minus 4, not equal to 1. It is not the answer. So the value for n is 6. Do you get it? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.